Let's learn
consonant, B, ball, 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 ball. C, cat, 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 cat. D, dog, 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 dog. F, frog, 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 frog. G, giraffe, 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 giraffe. H, horse, 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 horse. J, jellyfish, 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 jellyfish. K, kangaroo, 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 kangaroo. L, lion, 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 lion. M, monkey, 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 monkey. N, newt, 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 newt. P, penguin, 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 penguin. Q, quail, 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 quail. R, rabbit, 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 rabbit. S, snake, 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 snake. T, tiger, 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 tiger. V, vampire bat, vampire bat, vampire bat, vampire bat. W, wolf, 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 wolf. X, xeris, 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 xeris. Y, yak, 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 yak. Z, zebra, 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 zebra. Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.